Hello, my name is Sarah H. and I will be teaching y'all how to make paper airplanes. So what you're going to need for this activity is some paper and a good attitude. It's that simple. I love making paper airplanes because my dad taught me how to do them when I was pretty little, and we did it all the time. It was super fun. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start by taking one sheet of paper and folding it hot dog style. So make sure the edges match up. Whoop. So now you're going to unfold it like this and then flip it so it would make a little tent like this. And now you're going to take one corner and match it up with the crease you made right in the middle. Then push it down and do the same to the other side. Push it down. Here's the fun part. So you're gonna fold down. See how there's this triangle right here? You're gonna fold down on those lines. So then you make it straight again, like this. And here's the tricky part. So now you have this triangle right here. You're gonna have to take the corners and press them not all the way to the end of this triangle, but kind of just above. And then do the same with the other side. And like meet the corner of this side with the other fold you just made. So it's gonna look kind of like this, and then there's your little, so there's a little like tail peeking out. Then you're gonna take that tail and fold it up to hold those little wings in place. And now you're going to fold it in half so it looks like this, and then you're going to take this edge right here and fold it to here. So go like this. And make sure it's lined up nicely. And lay it flat so it's going to look like that. And see, it lines up with there. Then you're going to do the same to the other side. So fold it, line it up with this side, and bada boom, bada bing, you got a paper airplane. Let's see how it flies. Awesome. Hope you enjoy.